Hello and welcome back to Gen X Jumps. I'm Todd. I got with me today my son Eric, who has agreed to do a jump rope and chest workout with me today for my birthday. It's his birthday gift to me. So we are going to do, it's a push-up ladder kind of a deal. We're going to jump and then we're going to do like one push-up, and then we're going to jump, going to do two, and we're going to take the push-ups all the way up to 10 and then back down from 10, and that'll be the whole workout. All right, so let's get warmed up. Got about 1 minute, so we're gonna start with just some boxer skip, just some hopping to get our heart pumping, warm our legs up a little bit. You're doing this first thing in the morning, you don't want to start jumping and doing push-ups cold. No way.
I didn't get enough sleep for that.
All right, so let's do a little just dynamic stretching here. Just some leg swings to the front. Stretch those hamstrings out. Now let's do the same thing to the back pretty much. Actually, leg swings this way.
Hard not to fall over.
It's very hard not to fall. This is when you wish you had a chair. All right, now let's do some arm swings, huggers, because that clock is about to go off, and we're gonna do 30 freestyle jumps before we do our push-up set. So every time do 30. Oh wait.
This guy's eager.
Always. All right, now get ready. There we go. Okay, so that's 30 jumps, and now do one push-up. Here we go.
Exceptional form only.
And the rest is the remaining amount of time is your rest. This first round's only 30 seconds. Whew. Yeah, I'm tired already. Two push-ups. And we got about 10 seconds to rest. Now
I like that.
Yeah, these periods get a little longer as the push-up count goes up. So don't worry about that. Three push-ups. I hear some grunting over there.
Oh yeah, I haven't done stuff like this in a while. From here on out, the rest gets longer.
All right, we got 45 seconds this time. Four push-ups. Ooh, that's a longer break. Nice.
Yeah.
So feel free to change your push-up grip if you want. You can come in close, you can go wide, just to work different areas of your chest. You can be a complete boss and do a pike push-up.
That would be sick.
That'd be pretty sick. Nice round. 5.
Doing diamonds, bro. Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, diamonds are hard. Oh, I'll do diamonds on my next one.
Okay. I wanted to do it before it got too high in count.
I'm gonna switch over to some run in place. What do you say?
Sure, absolutely.
Oh. Six. go. Very good.
Oh, it's getting
very
tough.
good. Whew. So Eric hasn't jumped in a while.
Yeah.
He's doing pretty good. So
Mainly lifting.
shows the, you know, even if you don't jump much, these workouts are really designed to get you started for beginners.
Just start moving, man.
Oh.
Here we go.
That's good, man. Yeah, if you need to go to your knees, go to your knees. Definitely.
I just got done backpacking the mountains.
So pause if you need to, go at your own pace. Got 8 push-ups coming up. We're gonna go up to 10. We'll get a minute for those rounds. And then back down to 1.
All right.
Yeah, what do you wanna do this time? Run in place, or I mean fast skip?
Two step, 2 on one foot,
Okay.
2 on the other.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh gosh. All right, back to regular bounce. I forgot to
I
count.
did more than 30.
I gotta punish myself now. Punishment.
8.
I have to do punishments. I'm gonna go wide. Good job, man. Good job.
Ooh, I'm breaking a sweat.
Yeah. Make sure when you're doing your push-ups to keep your core nice and engaged. Almost feels like you're doing a crunch, but you're not.
Yeah.
You're doing a push-up.
You're just keeping your body from going up like this, curving down toward the ground. No bueno.
All right, here we go. We're almost at the top of the ladder.
Oh, that's promising. I forgot to count.
Me too. Okay. All right, I'll do a few extra just in case. There we go.
9.
9. 9. Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
You got it. Well, that 10 is going to be difficult.
Yes,
I can
it
feel
is.
it.
I think I might have to go on these on 10s. I'll try to get like
That's
4.
cool.
4 or 5.
That's cool. Do your best, right?
Yeah, buddy.
That's what it's all about, doing your best, but doing it. Get up off the couch. Join us.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to remember to count this time.
Yeah.
Oh, boxer skip that time. I'm gonna go diamonds on my 10.
Oh my gosh, it's savage.
Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Nice, man. Nice
Good
job. Oh, it's getting hard.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so now we're going to start going back down our ladder. All right.
There we go.
Don't forget to count.
This is a burner, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Go
We
boxer skip.
Yeah, we didn't do this ahead of time either. We didn't know what we were in for. Oh my God. All right. The van just caused all sorts of chaos.
All that chaos by one van.
Arms are going to jelly. The full list of this workout with a nice explanation will be in the description. Make it a little easier. Follow the chapters in the video as well. Oh, mama, you doing all right?
Yeah, doing good. Keeping up.
Nice.
Giving it my all.
At least we're on the way back down.
Yeah.
How many?
8. 8, all right. I can get down with
getting
the
easier.
sickness. Oh, I'm getting real pumped. Let this be an example. If you don't do it often, it gets tough.
Sure
But
does.
doesn't mean you can't start back up again.
That's right. Laying face down
I ended up
in a
little
parking
face down.
lot. In the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Man down.
It's only a minor casualty.
All right, so we're down to 7 push-ups. Getting easier. 30 jumps. Yeah, if you mess up, reset, keep going. Go 7, I'm going wide.
Three more.
Come on, buddy, you got it. Good job. My arms are jelly. Look at that. It's
Man, I
amazing.
missed this.
It's amazing how pumped your biceps get from doing the push-ups.
Yeah. Your whole like upper strap here,
Yeah,
it gets pretty lit up.
we're strapped.
We're strapped right now.
All right, now remember, our time's going down.
Ah, jeez.
We got 45 seconds.
It's on my last 2.
6 push-ups. For 5, I'm gonna go diamond, but not till
This guy's an
then.
animal, dude.
Oh, mama. Woo. Good job, Eric.
Thank you, thank you.
Good job, you at home. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I said I was doing diamond. What was I thinking?
I don't know, dude. Showing off for the camera, that's what.
Oh mama, I didn't make it. I crumbled. I crumbled on the 5th one. Oh gosh.
Man, these are getting tough.
That's all right though, because the only way to see gains
Push your
go to
limits, buddy.
failure.
That's right.
Oh my gosh. Okay, 4 push-ups. Yeah, so close.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, wow. Good job, man.
Thank you.
It gets so tough here at the end.
Yes, it does.
Arms
Especially
are
because now we only have, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah. Here we go. 3.
Man, I might have 0 break.
Good job. Okay, we're almost done.
You too, bud.
Two. Going wide. Go wide. They're a little easier.
I have been.
Okay. They're a little easier. Atta boy. Nice. Last set.
Last one. You know what it has to be, right? Diamond.
Okay. Oh. One push-up. One diamond push-up.
I'm doing knees on my diamond.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow. Good
Right here,
job. That was awesome. Good job. Good job at home. If you stuck in there for that, that's a nice workout. My chest is just swole right now. So make sure you cool down. If you liked this workout, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to us. Eric, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it.
Got it, dude.
See you in the next video. Peace.
Oh yeah.